Hi friends, welcome to my kitchen again for What's Cooking Coco. And this week I am so excited because we are going to be making birria. I know, I got to show you guys how to make it because I've been posting it on my social media. So today is the day where it's really going to go down in the kitchen, okay? So I'm going to show you exactly what we're going to need, how to put it together. Trust me, it's going to be a process, but it is worth the process, okay? So what we're going to need is 5 chile ancho, 5 chile guajillo, 2 chile de árbol, about 10 to 12 peppercorns, okay? A teaspoon of cumin seed, okay? 1 tablespoon of oregano, and I use Mexican oregano because it's a Mexican dish, okay? We're gonna need 1 cinnamon stick, okay? And about maybe 4 bay leaves, some thyme, onion, and garlic. Literally, that's it. We're gonna be able to whip this together nicely, okay? So make sure you de-seed all of your chiles except for the chile de árbol because it's gonna give it that good spice that we need, okay? So let's get started. Let me show you exactly what we're gonna do. So here we go. This is all we're gonna do. Make sure that you have a little bit of oil at the bottom of your pan, and I used avocado oil. Just throw all of your chiles in there because we're gonna need to toast these up, okay? And then what we'll do is we'll rehydrate them after they've been toasted up. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that, and then I'm gonna add my garlic. I have about maybe 6, 7 pieces of garlic, okay? And then I'm gonna add my thyme, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just add all of my spices there, okay? We're just gonna add that all together, okay? We're gonna toast everything up nicely. So usually this will take maybe about, let's say 6 minutes to toast up nicely, okay? We wanna make sure that all of those chiles are toasted up, okay? And you can hear it sizzling. Oh, that's exciting. And the smell already is just amazing. You see how it's changing the color and it's brown? Okay, and we're gonna take some chicken stock, okay? And all we're gonna do is use about 1 cup of chicken stock, okay? We have to rehydrate all of these peppers, okay? And so once they become soft and they're nicely rehydrated, then we're gonna throw it in our blender and blend it up. Then throw in my onion and let that cook down a bit as well. Now that our chiles have cooked down and they're nice and soft, we're just gonna go ahead and toss it in the blender. Toss everything except for the cinnamon stick in the blender, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna take the cinnamon stick out and I'm gonna set it to the side for a bit because I'm gonna put that right back in after we blend this up. Give that a good blend. My blender is on. Okay, so that's nice and done, nice and thick, just how I like it. Back over to our pan and we're gonna throw some more oil in there, okay? And I'm using avocado oil and it looks like I ran out, but that's okay. Now, put our meat in. So just drop your meat in there. Make sure that your pan is nice and hot. We're gonna have to brown our meat. And I am using beef top sirloin roast, okay? So you can use any type of beef for roasting, any type you want, but this is the one that I have and that's what I'm using, okay? So we're just gonna go ahead and allow each side to brown, okay? And that is 2.5 pounds of beef chuck roast. Okay, now let's check to see if our meat is ready to flip, and it is because it's not sticking to the pan, to the bottom. And let's just go ahead and give it a flipperoo. See, that's exactly how we want it. We want to go ahead and brown some of that. Look at how beautiful that is. Went on ahead and threw in 1 bay leaf and that cinnamon stick, I put it back in there so it'll give it that nice aromatic fragrance that I want coming through the birria, okay? So now that that side is browning, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna go ahead and add my little secret ingredient. Is a little bit of red wine, okay? So we're just gonna do that, just like that. There are some who make birria that do vinegar, like white, regular distilled vinegar. I don't. So I'm just adding just a little bit of red wine, okay? And look at that color, look how pretty that is, okay? Take my mixture that we blended up, okay? And we are going to pour that in there, okay? One thing, I know that a lot of people like to strain it through like maybe, you know, a cheesecloth or something, but I don't. I like to just, the way it is, if you have a good blender, you should not have chunks of, you know, of anything left in there. So just like that, okay? We're gonna add that to it. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. And you guys, this is so easy to throw together, and you'll be left, depending on your family size, you'll be left with a good portion of meat that you can use. Some water, okay? About a liter of water. Okay, just gonna add that until you cover all of your meat. That's how much water we want, okay? Okay, all right. And at this point, after we've added our water, we're gonna take, I think this is about a fourth cup of caldo de pollo. You can use caldo de res if you want, but I don't have that. So I'm gonna go ahead and use caldo de pollo, and we're just gonna put it in there, okay? And we're gonna mix it, just like that. Mix it around. And remember, as you're moving along, you have to make sure that you're tasting it to make sure that your flavors are on point, okay? Give it a little taste. Ooh. Oh yeah. Woo! That is so good. Now, at this point, we're just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add some green onion to that, so that way as it's boiling, all the flavors are just gonna come through. I got about, what, three stalks of green onion, and you just place it in there just like that, okay? Just like that. We're gonna have to let this cook for about 2 to 3 hours, okay? All right, guys, so it's already been about 2.5, 3 hours. And for the moment that we've all been waiting for, let's double check to see. Look at that. Oh my goodness, guys. Wow. So we're just gonna go ahead and take our meat out. Look at that. We're gonna put it in a bowl separately, okay? Because what we're gonna do is we're gonna shred it before we assemble our tacos. All right, so all we're gonna do is I got a little glove because I don't wanna get my hands all stained, and we're just gonna shred it. And it shreds literally so easy. Or if you don't wanna use your hands, you can go ahead and put it through a hand mixer. Just like that, guys. That's how we want it to look. And I'm gonna go ahead and taste it. Mmm! So soft. Woo! That's amazing. All right, now time for the frying. Okay, so now that we've got that all shredded up, what we're going to do is I totally did not have any more tortillas left, so I had to fix them up myself. If you want to know how to do them, I will go ahead and make a video for that. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and just get those cooked just like that. Okay, so you'll notice that your tortillas are done is when they start to puff up just like that, okay? So when they start doing that, then we are good to go. Okay, I'm just gonna do another flip on the other side. Just like that. Mine look a little brown because I'm doing it on my grill. I've grilled on this this week, so they normally will not look like this, okay? And that's fine because I made tacos the other day, so that's good. So all I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take my tortilla that's done and the caldo that we had from the birria, I'm just gonna let it just dip in there, okay? And it's probably gonna be hot, so just be careful with your hands, just like that. I'm gonna place it back on the grill. I can get it to release, there we go. Okay, and I'm gonna do the same with all of it, okay? Just gonna do a little dipperoo. Just like that. Okay, so after that's done, we're gonna take our meat and we're gonna put it on there however much you want. That is your business, okay? Just like that. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, and then we're just gonna take our cheese. Just whatever cheese that you have. You can do Mexican cheese, you can do mozzarella. This is quesabirria, so we're gonna make it look yummy and appetizing. Make sure that you are generous with your cheese, okay? And we're just gonna go ahead and plop. You can take your caldo too if you want, and you can just pour on top just to make sure that it gets that added flavor. Just like that. Look at that, guys. Oh my goodness. We're just gonna take it and we're gonna put it on our little plate here. Oh, look at that. It is worth the wait. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and dress it up, make it look pretty, and we're gonna taste it. So now we're nice and complete, almost. So we're just gonna take our birria tacos and we're just gonna open them up. Look at how glorious that is. And we're gonna add some onion and some cilantro to each one, okay? However much you want. If you don't like onion and cilantro, then you don't have to do it. That's totally optional, okay? But I love some onion and I love my cilantro, so I'm gonna add that to each one, okay? Oh my gosh, this looks amazing. And it smells even better, just like that. I like to add crema to mine. You don't have to, this is optional, but I like crema. So I'm gonna just drizzle some crema in each one. I'll just do that, just 2 is great. Then we got our limes here, okay? And you just squirt your limes all across however you want. And then I have my consommé. So birria tacos come with your caldo. So your caldo right here, this is exactly what you're gonna need, because I'm gonna show you, we're gonna dip it in there and it's gonna be fabulous. So this is exactly what it looks like, guys. Look at that. Look how beautiful. Now let's taste it. Okay, let's dig in. This is exciting. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Oh, okay. I want a little bit of lime, so I'm gonna squirt some lime in there. Woo! Okay. This is how you gotta do it. You dunk it in there, just like that. Look at that. Mmm. Mmm. Woo! That is good. So good. Wow. And I'm so glad that I actually ran out of tortillas, because homemade tortillas are so much better. Oh my goodness. You guys literally have to try this. It's not that hard to make, friends, okay? And you can get a little dirty with it too. Wow. This is so good. So soft. The meat is soft. All the flavors are just glorious together. The right amount of spice. Oh, this is amazing, guys. You guys literally have to try this. Okay? Thank you for coming into my kitchen again for What's Cooking Coco. I hope you guys try this dish. Remember, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, please. Love you guys, and I hope that you guys have a fabulous day today. Bye. I can eat this every day.